besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Liah, baby. You can call me Liah. So I filmed another video before this one doing this ball cap. That's why I look like this. This was my first time trying it on myself. So I tried it on my friend during my class with Queen Lior. And yeah, this is the second time. I don't hate it and I don't love it. It's the first time. So, you know, you can't be great on your first time. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi besties. My name is Miss Liah, baby. You can call me Liah. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the party. Today we're doing a wig install. A wig install. A curly wig install. I bleached the ends. And it held up really well. Like, curl texture still there after bleaching, so I love that. Bleach the knots, of course. So we're trying to make a gift scalp. I have not put no makeup on this part yet. On this yet. And I filmed another video. I think I said that already. But I filmed me doing the cap. So I'm gonna put some alcohol on my forehead to get like rid of the excess. And yeah, how are y'all doing? I still am not the most comfortable like cutting the lace, but everything else working on. So I'm having fun with that. I gotta be careful with this. I got like 3. I be antagonizing my cat, so I got like 3 scratches. I'm really trying to see if his reflexes are still like sharp, or I'll just like pet his paw and he lets me know that he does not like that. I kind of want to leave this wig on until like Wednesday, I was gonna say. So I don't know if I want these guys to be or the even. I'm like, which one's gonna give me a better hold? That's the question. We're gonna go in with our ruby kisses on the cap. All right, yeah, we're gonna say that's good. That's good. Real good. So now we're gonna take the wig. I don't remember anything about this wig, but I think it's only like 18 inches. I have a screenshot of it. I might put that up. So yeah, we're just gonna powder this part. I haven't found like the right formula when it comes to like bleaching the knots to not over bleach. I even have a video of me over bleaching, which is super embarrassing. But you know what? Content is content. And y'all, I'm far from perfect. Because when I be in my perfectionist bag, I wasn't gonna upload that video. That's why I had to like hurry up and upload it, because I wanted to delete it. It was embarrassing. It's like all these YouTube videos and you over bleaching. And the crazy thing is, I only let the bleach sit for like 15 minutes. I didn't even let it sit for, because I'll be watching YouTube videos and they're like, oh, let your bleach sit for 30, 40, 50 minutes, an hour. I think that knot would have been boneless had I let it sit. For anything longer than what I did. All right, let's see how we're looking. Okay. And I'm gonna go in with the small brush on the flip side. Let's see All right. See if I need to go in more. Yeah, just a tad. Yeah, just a tad. I don't like the lace on the side. Huh. But so far. So far, so good. I don't hate it. I don't like how this wig is sitting. It's like it's sitting up. It's making my head look weird. I'm tired. I just want it to be like chilly. It'll be chilly, and then later on in the day, it's moving like it's spring already. Oh, I'm gonna have to hot comb this one out. Yeah, that'll help a lot. But I'm gonna leave that for now. I don't like how this wig is sitting. I want it to be like, I'm get curly hair. I want volume. Volume. That's better. The part, like, I don't know. It's feeling weird. Okay, I like that a lot more than before. There we go. Yeah. Where's my ears? I feel like this is a crooked part. It is a little crooked. It's not really a middle part. Let's just go sideways. I gotta look. This part said, I'm here to stay, baby. It's here to stay. Okay, whatever. I don't like when they say it's a free part wig and then it's stuck as like a middle part. Like, free part, you say. Whatever is gonna be a middle part. I want the wig. I'm trying to look wild. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit about right here. Really right here. So let's get the dots to be, and let's spray it down. I just wanted to like not have a part low key. But it kind of need a part. Anyway, let's spray the lace. This is the one thing I don't like about Bestie. It is everywhere. Okay. I had to just clean off my forehead because this was starting to stick in places that it was not supposed to be sticking. But I do want these corners to stick. So, band. Where's my band? This is why I wear pants with pockets, because I wouldn't have had to look for it. It was just in my pocket. So, boom. Let's just pull this out the way. I had a hair tie. Let's pull this back, right? We're gonna fix that. All right, so the longer and tighter you leave this band on, the better the melt. And so I just wanted to wind tussle it a little bit to get this part to not be as flat. But we're gonna leave the band on for a minute. And then we're gonna come back, cut it, and wet it, and define it. We're gonna define it before I take the band off. So, we will be back. All right, besties, it's been 30 plus minutes since I've put this in. I put a braid in, and I don't know how I feel. It was with the braid. I feel like the braid looked a little goofy, but I kind of like it. I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna hot comb the hair down. I'm gonna hot comb it and then define it. So we're gonna hot comb and then cut the lace. In that order. Hot comb the roots to kind of flatten this out. Curl it with some water. And then we're done. My only complaint, I love this. It's the She Is Bomb hair wax stick. I love it. But my only complaint is it smells a little soap-like. But other than that, hold it down. Let's do the back. Because I'm not going to be able to get it as flat as I need to because it's curly hair. There we go. There we go. That looks so much. That was hot. It looks so, with hot combing, without, looks so much better. Okay. Yeah, that looks so much better because it actually looks, flat. All right, yeah. Much better. I'm back in with the ruby kisses on the part. Okay. Much better. I'm gonna have to do around the perimeter. I had to bring out the trusted spray bottle. If y'all been here since the beginning, you know. That's what I do. That's what I do. I got water going down my back now. Let me step back so y'all can see. All I'm doing is this hair. Defines really well. Like, no product, just water. Alright, so there we go. Got the hair flat. We then defined it. And it's minimal shedding. Like, this is really good shedding for curly hair. Because usually when you're defining some hair, you are going to lose a lot of pieces. So this is really good shedding for curly hair. And it's defining with just water. Let's cut this lace, y'all. Let's cut this lace and get out of here. Let's take it off. I'm gonna start with the scissors just to like separate it right here, and then I'm gonna go in with the razor sideways. I'm gonna cut a little bit of the hair, but leaves the hair not mine. And then I am going to go on this side. I'm actually going to take this side and go backwards. That is the easiest for me. I gotta clean up the ends. Try not to cut myself. We'll go backwards. So we're gonna take this in. But I can't get, bump it. Scissors. I'm gonna take the scissors and there we go. This is why, see that blunt edge the scissor just gave me compared to the razor? This is why you go in. I probably could cut some more, but if you're not new here, you know I do not trust myself with a razor, and I cut myself with a knife a week ago, so we gonna put that away. It looks so much better since I hot combed it. Yes, we got it. It's flat. Let's put the makeup on to conceal that. I went on entirely too thick. There we go. You do not have to be heavy-handed with it at all. Hey, from this distance, beautiful work. You all up on me? Back up. Cause y'all see it? Yeah. I'm not a huge fan of middle parts. But this is just stepping out on a whim. We're doing something different. But you know, it's still giving. It's still giving. I don't know what it's giving, but it's giving. Giving a little more Tisha if she washed her hair. But I love curly hair. I really want some big curly hair, like scissor curly, lion mane curly. That's how big I want a curly wig to be. So that's what the hair I'm on the hunt for. Like, I want it to be big. Cause this is cute, but this is like kind of wavy curly, and I want like curly. I want it to look like my hair. But you know, I love it. If you've made it this far, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. If you want to catch up with me on my other social medias, they will be linked down below in the description. Again, you can call me Leah. I'm Leah. I'm Miss Leah, baby, but you can call me Leah. You ain't gotta say the miss or the baby. Just call me Leah. Thank you for watching. Let me know if y'all would the braid. I don't know if the braid looks crazy or not. But for now, we're gonna leave it like without the braid. The braid was in the beginning, but let me know if the braid looks crazy or should we just leave it as is? I will see y'all next time. Bye.